Conversion of basic surd form to single surd form. Examples. Express 2√3 in single surd form. Solution. Now we have 2√3. To express 2√3 in basic surd, in single surd form. This is basic surd form. We want to express this in single surd form. So in this case, we are going to bring in 2 inside the square root such that we have a perfect square number. Now we can just write this as square root of, if you are bringing 2 inside the square root, then it means you are going to square 2. So this is the same thing as 2 squared times 3. If you are bringing 2 inside the square root, then you bring the 2 inside the square root, then you put a square. Because we know that when you have square root of 2 squared, it will give you 2. So bringing inside the square root, you must put 2 as a power to the number you have here normally. So coming to this form. So in this case, what are we having? This is same thing as 2 squares of 4. Then we have 4 times 3. Now this will give us square root of what? What is 4 times 3? That's 12. So that will give us the square root of 12. That's the solution to the problem.